Judging the speed of approaching vehicles can be extremely challenging, so caution is vital when overtaking. Despite feeling like you have ample time and distance to pass, remember that you are narrowing the gap between yourself and the oncoming vehicle at a rate of double or even greater than your own speed. On highways, remain alert for parked vehicles on the opposite side that may unexpectedly pull out into the road. Remember that surpassing the speed limit while overtaking is illegal. The essential steps for passing are as follows. 1. Look ahead for oncoming vehicles. 2. Check your side and rear view mirrors for vehicles approaching from behind. Signal. 3. Check your left blind spot for vehicles beside you. 4. Reconfirm that the road is clear before executing the pass. 5. Once the vehicle you have overtaken is visible in your rearview mirror, check your right blind spot, signal to the right, and return to the appropriate lane. When another vehicle is overtaking you, slow down and position yourself as close to the right side of the road as possible. Be mindful of turbulence caused by large motor vehicles like semi-trailer trucks. Never attempt to pass by veering off the road, such as onto the shoulder. When a vehicle is slowing down or stop to yield to pedestrians or other vehicles. In a school area within 15 minutes of the start or end of morning and afternoon classes, or when children are near a school or playground. On the left side of the road if the road ahead is not sufficiently clear. In areas where highway construction is in progress. Passing on the right is only permitted in the following circumstances: when overtaking a vehicle making a left turn, on one-way streets, on streets with designated lanes.